Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to show you how you can cash on delivery on Flipkart. So in order to cash on delivery on Flipkart, first of all you need to open up your application or log in into your Flipkart account. For that you need to go ahead and select a product. So in my case I'm just going to select a random product. Let's go with this one. So cash on delivery feature will only be available if the user or the seller has actually enabled it. So in my case I'm just going to select this product and you can add it to your cart, or you can also go ahead and tap the simply just go ahead and select the size first of all, and you can also add the product to your cart, or you can just go ahead and tap the buy now button. As soon as you click the buy now button, it's going to take you to the summary page where you need to go ahead and select all of these information. If the information seems to be valid enough, then click the continue button. This is going to direct you to the payment page. Here you'll be able to see whether you can pay through a debit card, credit card, or you can also do it cash on delivery. So as you can see right at the bottom you have cash on delivery, so go ahead and select that and click the place order button. As soon as you do that, the order will be confirmed, and that's basically how you can cash on delivery on Flipkart. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.